Okay, the next question related to the word analogy. Okay, leather cobbler would dash. Okay, by using leather, cobbler make shoes. So cobbler is a person. So similarly, by using wood, carpenter make furniture. So the person is option 3, that is carpenter. Okay, so first one is the raw product, second term is the person who make the things by using this raw product. Okay, similarly you have to apply the same relation to the third term. Okay, so the next question related to the word analogy. India president, state dash. Okay, so India's first man is called president. Similarly, state's first person, that is he is governor. Okay, so option 2. If India related to prime minister, state related to chief minister. But in this case, India related to president. President means the first person of the India. So similarly, the first person of the state is governor. So answer is option 2. Okay, the next question. Muslims mosque 6 dash. So Muslims goes to mosque. Okay, so similarly 6 goes to which place? So 6 goes to Gurudwara. Okay, so the next question. Good, bad. Similarly roof dash. Okay, so good, bad means both are antonyms, opposite words. So similarly roof and floor, both are opposite words. So you have to apply the same. Roof antonym is floor. Okay, so answer is option 2. Okay, thank you. The next questions related to the word analogy. So in this type of questions are called also word analogy. Okay, so writer is related to reader in the same way as producer is related to dash. Okay, so writer is related to reader. So writer and reader both are antonyms, are opposite words. Okay, so in the same way as producer is related to, producer means who will produce something. So that opposite word is consumer. So the answer is option 2. Okay, so the next question. Flower is related to petal in the same way as book is related to. So flower contains petals. So flower contains small petals. Okay, so in the same way as book is related to dash. So book contains pages. Book contains pages. So the answer is option 1. Okay, so the next question. Doctor is related to diagnosis in the same way as judge is related to dash. Okay, so doctor diagnoses the health related problems. Okay, in the same way as judge related to what? So judge gives judgment. Judge gives judgment. Okay, so he works in the court and gives judgment. Okay, so the answer is option 4. Okay, the next questions in word analogy. Okay, first of all, the first question is tiger, tigress. Okay, so tiger is the male one, tigress is the female one. Okay, so the fourth term is mare. Mare means it is the female one. So what is the male one? So horse is the male one. Okay, so the next question. Dog is related to puppy in the same way dash is related to kitten. Okay, so dog ang1 is called puppy in the same way which animal ang1 called kitten? So that is cat. So cat young one is called kitten. Okay, the next one. Kiwi is related to New Zealand. In the same way, kangaroo is related to which one? Okay, so kiwi is the national fruit of New Zealand. Okay, in the same way, kangaroo is the national animal of Australia. Okay, so option 3. Okay, the next question. Cardiology is related to heart, dash related to plants. So it is a reverse analogy. So study of heart is called cardiology. In the same way, study of plants is called botany. Study of plants is called botany. Okay, so what is the study of animals? That is called zoology. Okay, so in this question, the study of heart is related to cardiology. In the same way, the study of plants is called botany. Okay.